Cause that was too much gloss, too much sauce. Now I'm gonna look all greasy lipped. That'll do. A package for me. I'm so excited for this one. I got a full supply drop from Lashing on the Run. I also have this amazing Aki Lashes. It used to be Meraki, but now it's just Aki Lashes. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing slash package opening little show while I wait for my boo to get off of work. Let's get into it. Yes. Shout out to my girl at Lashing on the Run. I love her so much. I'm so happy for all of her success. I can't wait for her new studio to open very soon. Y'all, get into this bag. Oh, let's see if we can. There's just so many lash goodies in here. Like, I'm so excited. Okay, I ordered a lot of stuff because I'm doing a giveaway on my Instagram for a lash tech, so a lot of this stuff is actually going to be given away. I got lash glue, if you can see that, Lashing on the Run. Her label is just so cute. I can't wait to use this. I got 2 of the adhesives. I got a DD curl, double D, DD curl. Can y'all see that? Yes, this is a mixed tray, so it's 0.15 and it's 11 to 16. I got 3 of these. One, actually, did I get 3 or did I get? Here goes another one. That's 4. I think I got 5 of them. She had them on sale. They were like $8. $8 for some quality bomb ass lashes. Okay, I got 5 of these. I'm gonna keep one. I'm gonna give one away in my giveaway, and these 3 are going in my training kits because I have a training coming up really soon. So I'm excited about that. Yes, come on, packaging. Eyelash foam cleanser. I can't wait to use this, y'all. We got some foam cleanser. I got a lot of these. 2, 3, 4. One more, 5. So I got 5 of these. I'll go ahead and open it right now. Let y'all see what it looks like. Come on, why I keep going yellow? I don't want to rip it. I guess I'll keep this one for myself since I opened it. Okay. Ooh, her packaging is just so cute. Eyelash foam cleanser. Y'all, this is, for the price that I paid for this bottle feels full. Like, I don't feel like I'm getting skimped. I feel like this is a full bottle of foam cleaner. She even has the ingredients on the back as well as how to use it. I'm so excited to use this tomorrow. How to store it and everything. So, so excited. Okay, so I got 5 of these, and it's gonna be the same with the lash trays. I'm gonna keep one, give one away, and the other 3, the people who signed up for my January class, y'all are so lucky because y'all are getting all the goods. I never put anything in my kit that I've never used before, or that I haven't tested, or that I don't recommend. So when you do take my training class, then just know you're getting quality products, okay? What else do I have in here? I have extension sealant. Yes, because if you use a nano mister, dope. If you use sealant, dope. But whatever you do, you should never just leave your clients like, okay, your lashes are done, bye. No, you need to fan them and seal them or nano mist them or something. Don't just put the glue on there and leave. Yes, okay. I love she has the ingredients on it. That is so important to me. She has ingredients on it. She has directions on it. If you want to see this little tube there, her label and everything. Come on, Lashing on the Run. Yes. I'm so excited. All her packaging and everything. Come on now, get into it. Oh, it's upside down. No, it wasn't. Was it? There we go. It's not gonna focus. Can you focus on me? Okay, I got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17 items. I thought I had 18 items. I'm gonna have to check my receipt because I thought I had 18 items, but this is only 17. I could definitely be wrong. I'm so excited to get into this tomorrow. So, oh, and then she threw in one of her cards. Yes, I love it. I love it. Lashing on the Run. All of those links to everything that I bought, you can find them in the description. So let me put all of this bike in the bag. And let's see what else I got from Aki Lashes, because it ain't Meraki no more, it's Aki Lashes. If you want to know how you can score some of the Lashing on the Run products at a super good rate, stay tuned until the very end. At the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you some ways that you can get you some Lashing on the Run products like what I used in this video for yourself for the low. So stick around. Okay, hopefully I can get into this box without scissors. I don't think I can, so let me get, oh, I got a new bag the other day, guys. If you like my bag, comment below and tell me what you think, because I love this bag. Look at it, has like the V, and it's such a cute purse. Okay, I love purses. I'm addicted to bags. See if I can get this box open with my keys. There we go. Yes, this is called Efficient. There we go. Can I open it yet? Nope. Still all of that, I still can't open it. Come on. Oh, I got to my man's job very early today, so have time to do this unboxing for y'all. Aki Lashes. I really like that, the way that they box their stuff. Like, yes, the pink bag is cool. I love it. It's so posh and so cute. I really like this because when it's like packaged in the package, I mean, okay. So, oh, we got a little tissue paper action. That's cute. Let's see. I'll let y'all get into this with me. Here we go. Okay. Oh, I got some good stuff from Aki Lashes. Let's see. Oh, cool. They sent me some tattoos. Are they tattoos? I think they're Lash. Little motherfucking temporary tattoos. Wow, that's so cute. They sent my little printable invoice thing. I didn't get that from Lashing on the Run, but it's all good. I have it on my phone, so whatever. So here's the tea on Meraki or Aki Lashes, whatever. When you go on their website, they still sell Meraki products at a discounted rate, and everything new has the new Aki label on it. So they dropped the Mer part. I don't know what happened about that, but I think the products are still the same. So for myself, I got, these are not going to anybody. They're not going in my kit. They are for me. I love these things. It's the Smart Russian C curl. Oh, this is 16, 17, and 18. They're volume fans. I love these. They fan so easily. The curl on them is great. They're dark. They're not too heavy. They don't look synthetic. I don't like synthetic looking lash extensions. So I got these for myself. These C curl, man, January course, y'all ran off on me because I'm putting some good stuff in y'all supply kits. And for the most part, I do put the same stuff in all of my kits. This time around, since I was doing the giveaway and ordering stuff for myself, my January class is just going to get some really good supply. So I kind of wish that Meraki packaged their cases like this in plastic, because they don't get scratched. So there's a lot of scratches on the case. and you don't have that when they're in the plastic. I know it's very minimal, but it just looks better when the case isn't all scratched up. I guess that's first world problems, whatever. I got 4 C curl 0.15 mixed trays, 16 to 18. I like to give my beginner students longer length, if anything, just so they can play around with them. Sometimes it's a lot easier to practice placement on your mannequin when you're doing it with a longer lash. If you're trying to place a 8 or 9 or 10 length on a mannequin and it's already shorter than the practice lashes, I just feel like the longer lengths help with beginners with placing the lashes straight on the extension. So I got these. Also, one of them is going to be given away. If you don't already, follow me on Instagram at popstyle_lashes. That's where I do most of my giveaways. If you want me to do a YouTube giveaway, give this video a thumbs up, okay? I would love to do a YouTube video giveaway. So that's that. Oh, and all of these say Meraki at the top. I mean, I don't know if you can see it up there, but these all say Meraki lashes. Whereas these over here, oh, also say Meraki. I thought I got some of the Aki ones. I guess not this time. These are, oh, here goes my other one. See, they sent one in plastic, just one. All the other ones are not in plastic, so what up with that? These are the other pair to my Smart Russian. So this is 12 to 15, and the other one is 16 to 18. So I have 12 through 18 on the Smart Russians. And these are also going in my kit in my giveaway. I got 4 0.15 B curl mixes. I don't know how I feel about B curl, honestly. It's alright. I've used B curl before. I don't mind it. It's just kind of like, it ain't nothing special. So I got 4 of these, and that is my Aki Meraki haul. I am so excited tomorrow I have 4 lash sets tomorrow, which is a full day for me. I know some people will do like, oh, that guy's looking at me talk to myself. That's nice. The most that I will do in a day is like 4, maybe 5, and that's my personal choice. Yes, I could do 6 a day. Yes, I could do 7 a day, but I like to work smarter and not harder. And if I don't have to overwork myself in one day, I don't want to be sitting doing lashes for, if it takes me 2 hours a set and I do 8 sets, that's 16 hours. I'm not about to work a 16-hour work day anywhere. Why would I do it for myself? 4 sets is about 8 hours. I like that. It works for me. If you're doing 7 sets a day, 8 sets, 9 sets a day, kudos to you. Girl, you're hustling. I love it. I'm glad that you have that stamina. Personally, I don't. After my 5th set, I feel myself getting tired. I feel myself kind of like my sets aren't as good as they could be, or they're not as good as when I start the day. So I only do about 4 to 5 sets in a day. And tomorrow I do have 4 scheduled. So that was the unboxing. Stay tuned for the application process.